1, 2, C64. Hi all, today for the 150 subscribers special, which is also good for 100 subscribers, and if you don't mind also 140 and 44. Here we are in a special location and we are going to have a special surprise unboxing. Here we go. I already started a bit emptying this big container of stuff. You will see very different things. I already took out some stuff. Here, there's old things. Okay, somebody knows probably these things already. I'm gonna show them some other time whenever we have the chance. But what I want to show you today are these awesome original 1, 2, the best one of all. So first of all, this is how it looked like, the connector for the Commodore 64. All right, this is probably the oldest one I had. I think it's a number 2 or 3 of the series that I had. It was not a micro switch and normal fire and quick fire. It's missing a couple of these holders. I remember this was pretty hard to move. It was not so soft like the others that I had before and after. This is, well, look, there is still probably the original label of the shop. Made in China already, it was not made in Taiwan anymore. Same connector. This is micro switch and also the movements. Okay, maybe we can try. So guys, you have to understand this stuff is 30 if not more years old. This was very good for playing, in fact. And these 2 fire buttons are completely broken already. This was overused, really working very well. I remember playing all possible C64 games. And the third one, here we go. If I remember correctly, this was actually a hybrid. All right, so I had in the very beginning one of these completely black with some brand, I don't remember what was it. And then it was when we started to play double, it was then coupled with this one. But it got broken basically, the lower part, the base with the other the buttons. As you see, also is not micro switch. Okay, but then it got broken. The other ones came, and this gray one was the last one that was actually bought, if I remember right. This was actually Olivetti brand, model JO1030 if you wish. But also in this case the stick got broken, so basically I still had the older one that was not working anymore, and I made a hybrid to basically have still one functioning joystick. All the other pieces have been thrown away or given away to some other people who might have liked to have them a long time ago. Thanks again for the 150 subscribers, and see you soon with the next video.